Sugar Plums! Welcome back to another Trendy Talidays video. My name is Talia, bringing you everything fun and festive for the holiday season. In today's video, we are going to be setting up my hot cocoa bar. I am so happy with how everything turned out. It just looks magical, and I can't wait for you guys to see the end results. I really hope you all enjoy this video and feel inspired to create a cute cocoa bar at your home. And without further ado, let's get started. So whenever I do any Christmas decorating, I put on some festive music. Casey Musgraves has a fantastic Christmas album that I play on repeat all season long. This first Christmas decoration was a gift from my grandma last year. They are flameless tree candles that are so cute and glittery. I bought this Santa tray from Target 2 Christmases ago. I just love how holly and jolly and festive this tray is. Here's another Christmas decoration that my thoughtful grandma gave me last year. Luckily, I didn't break any salt and pepper shakers taking it out of the box. But how cute is this set? These Snowflake Napkins I just purchased from the Dollar Tree this year. I'm going with that classic red and white candy cane color scheme, as you can see. Okay, this has to be one of my favorite Christmas decor purchases this year. You can find it at the Dollar Spot in Target for $3. Another purchase I made this year is this Bath & Body Works candle. It smells just like Christmas. These ornament candle holders were passed down to me from my mom. They're so cute, and I remember growing up with them when I was a teenager living at home. These nice Santa Claus glass coasters were also given to me by my mom. I love this gingerbread tin holder. I purchased it this year at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to stick some hot cocoa packages in that tin holder. These mason jars were on sale over the summer at a Harris Teeter grocery store. I'm just going to be putting a bunch of hot cocoa treats and toppings in these jars. These 5 Christmas mugs were purchased from the Dollar Tree. How precious is my gingerbread houses one? I wish I could live in that little gingerbread village. I'm not really sure where my mom bought this sippy cup at for my toddler, but it's possible it's from Target. I also have this beautiful nutcracker mug that I purchased from Marshall's last Christmas. I'm in love with these dish towels that I bought from the dollar spot at Target. They fit right in with the little candy cane color scheme that I have going on in my kitchen. Lastly, I purchased this Christmas doormat from a store called At Home 2 Christmases ago. And here's the end results. I love how magical it looks in our home for the holiday season. Hopefully Santa Claus will stop by our hot cocoa bar on Christmas Eve night and fix himself a warm cup of cocoa. For more trendy videos from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new here today. Thank you so much for watching and have a cheerful day.